Hey guys, in today's video we are going to be using the LASHVIEW lift kit to lift my lashes as well as laminate my eyebrows. So here's a little before on both the eyes and brows. So first things first, you're going to take one of their spoolies and just comb out your lashes to make sure you don't have any crossing over. Then you'll take the Hydro Gel eye patch and place that on your lower lashes. I took it off just in between because I wanted to actually size up the rubber piece to my eyeball. I actually took some scissors and trimmed it up to fit my eyeball exactly. It does come with a small, medium, and large size, but I just want it to fit perfectly. So I trimmed it down. I did have a little bit of a hard time. You take a glue to glue that actual rubber piece to your eyeball. I mean, it's first time and I'm doing it myself, so I was kind of figuring it out as I go. But you can see I got the lashes combed out pretty straight on there, applied the neutralizing lotion, and had it sit there pretty thoroughly. I did apply my brows. I couldn't do both steps throughout the video, but I'm really happy with how the brows came out. The lashes, I think I needed a little bit more processing time. I'll give it a try again. They do look a little bit more spread out and long, though. Really enjoy the results, and everything worked out great as far as sensitivity wise. I had no breakouts. Check it out.